Greetings and salutations on this fine December 24th, 2023, as we prepare to return for the city, which I love the peace of the country. It's just so nice. And it's lovely in the greenhouse. Cold outside, but actually it's in the 50s today, so it's actually really nice. All the seedlings and everybody that transported over to the hydroponic system this last weekend seem to be getting bigger and happier and stronger, which is great. So that's always wonderful news. I recharged the piss faucet this week, just like I do every week, with 1 gallon of 30% piss faucet and 70% water. Rainwater collected from the barrels. Anyway, so most everybody seems to be getting bigger and appear to be happy for the most part. Some of them are not responding so well to the cold temperatures that we've been getting. So they've been in 20 degrees and sub 20 degrees for, for a couple of weeks now. So it's just one of those situations that I have improvements to make on the greenhouse. And, of course, Lamy and Piney fortifying themselves for a hopefully long and bright future of being well adjusted to colder conditions here in these climes. But the greenhouse is certainly a comfortable place during the daytime, despite the cold outside. The BioReactor is charged with some piss faucet. I got a bucket of piss faucet that I added to it, and so hopefully that will speed along the reaction process and get those internal temperatures going to 120 degrees or however high it's going to go, and start radiating some heat. So that would be a wonderful development, and I need to get some monitoring equipment so that I can actually quantify the results. So anyway, it's just lovely. I spent most of the weekend chopping wood. Actually, Friday was just chopping wood. And then, of course, I turned my attentions to the new pallet greenhouse structure. So I have endeavored to work on the western wall in order to get that all buttoned up. I'm still going to make some modifications here. I want to level these out and just make the adjustments, the height adjustment on this side alone, and that will create a more uniform look for it. But the slope, it does slope. And I haven't a tractor or any means to flatten it out. But anyway, so that's coming along. And let's see what else. We had a big-ass bonfire. Yep, sure did. Big-ass bonfire. Burned some bioreactor biogas. Burned some biogas this weekend. And, just enjoyed the sweet out of doors. It looks to me like the beavers have raised the land coming around this creek. That used to be the beaver dam right there. That was it. There was nothing more. It was just a beaver dam. This was all raised by 2 or 3 feet by these beavers. Talk about genius, man. That's a big project. I I had some low expectations with regards to the Beaver Dam that has been constructed. Very, very low expectations. I was terribly wrong. This is going to take more than 2 pounds. Hot nor cold, it's just a good time all the time. So anyway, had a nice load of pallets. Those are great. The strawberries are doing their winter thing. The blueberries, and somebody's still attacking the elderberry bush over there. Bastards. I've got the critter cam set up, and I need to actually go and check that. So yeah, enjoy the peace of nature before I go do that. Oh, and Merry Christmas.